So guys, for the first method, you want to unplug your printer and then plug it back in again. You could also turn it off and then turn it back on again. See if that works. For the second method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. Now you want to find print spooler. Here it is. You want to double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the print spooler service. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand system. Now you want to expand current control set. Now you want to expand control. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now you want to find a folder called print. We're going to scroll down till we find print. You want to click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once you're on this, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this Splwow64 time out seconds. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase. And then click on enter. And then once you have this, you just want to double click on it. And now in this box right here, you want to type in 60. Make sure that on the validator, you have the number 60 and then click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.